In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Slack messages. If you've ever sent a message that you instantly regretted, or maybe there was a typo that got the better of you, don't worry. Slack makes it easy to delete messages, and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. This should take just about 5 minutes, so you're in the right place to get this sorted quickly. First, you'll want to head over to Slack's homepage. Open up your preferred web browser and go to the Slack website. It's helpful to bookmark it if you plan on returning frequently. Once you're there, sign in using your credentials. If you usually log in with your Google account, simply click on the Sign in with Google button. This is a popular method since it's quick and easy and eliminates the need to remember yet another password. After you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Slack dashboard. This is the central hub where you can view all your ongoing conversations and channels. Depending on how your dashboard is set up, you might also see your starred items, recent conversations, or any other customized layout specific to your workspace. Next, navigate to the direct messages section, or any channel where the message you want to delete is located. Direct messages are usually listed under the respective section on the left hand side of your screen. Find the conversation thread that contains the message you want to remove. This could be with a colleague, a team group chat, or even just a channel where you might have dropped that message. Once you're in the correct conversation, look for the message you want to delete. Now hover your cursor over this message. You'll notice a small 3-dot icon appearing in the top right corner of the message bubble. Clicking on this icon will give you a few options related to the message. From the menu that appears, click on Delete Message. Slack will typically ask for a quick confirmation just to make sure you indeed want to delete it. Once you confirm, the message will be removed from the conversation. Keep in mind that this action might be tracked, and in some workspaces, other members might be notified that a message was deleted. So that's it. You've successfully deleted a message on Slack. A quick recap: go to Slack, sign in, find the right conversation, hover over the message, click on the 3-dot icon, then select Delete Message. It's a simple and effective way to manage your communication effectively. Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.